This video will show cleaning and maintenance on the 560 tissue puller system. You will need your small screwdriver as well as double distilled water. At the conclusion of your experiment, raise the puller and you will remove your tissue. You will move the plates out of the way and then you will slide the tissue off. You can lower the puller back in place so the mounts get cleaned as well. Empty the chamber of all your buffer. After you've removed your tissue, typically all you will need is 5 distilled water washes. Fill the chamber up past the mounts. It's a good idea to leave bubbling on during the cleaning so there's no salt buildup in the air stone. Now empty and repeat 4 additional times. After you've done your 5th wash, you may want to clean the glass tissue chamber, your 2 mounts, or the stainless steel at the bottom of the well. Raise the mounts out of the way. Remove the glass tissue chamber. If you want to remove the top mount, you will use the Allen key to loosen the screw on the gimbal arm. The bottom mount is released by loosening the forward adjustment on the left side. You can also clean the stainless steel on the bottom of the well. If you're not removing the glass tissue chamber or the tissue mounts, you're done cleaning after you've drained after the 5th water wash. For more information on the 560 TP, please refer to the user manual or additional training videos on the DMT website.